Okay, so just how I talked about the framework or outline of trading before, um, just like we did yesterday, this is the whole setup of the power of three right here. So you have the Asian range right here, okay, 6 p.m. Market open, futures market open to midnight. All right. After that, you have your manipulation leg. Let's draw that out. Got a manipulation leg down here. Let's mark that off by red. I have my little color codes. All right. So now, as you see, and we're on the 15-minute chart, so I could like kind of zoom out here. Now, it dipped into a 15-minute gap, okay, and then turned around. All right. And while it dipped into that 15-minute gap, it made another this blue rectangle here. It made another gap that I will use that as an inverse. Okay, hence I drew this dotted line is an alert here, so I don't have to look at the chart all day, right? So 15-minute gap it dipped into. Now once it crosses this 15-minute gap, that is my confirmation that I'm looking for buys, and my target would be the other side of the Asian range. Okay, now if you caught the turtle soup right here, and look, I'm using smart money concepts, but look, I'm not. That's not the end all be all. All right, so you don't have to use smart money concepts, but liquidity works. All right, trading with the banks and institutions work. All right, so that's why I do have some form of smart money concepts in my trading, but it's not everything. All right. So anyway, this just the framework of how I'm looking at it. I see that the first outline playing out, accumulation, manipulation. So now, like the move, I'm looking for buys. Okay, had you been up, early midnight, you probably would have caught the manipulation because you're looking for price to go down to a PD array. All right, which is this fair value gap right here. All right, and then once it came here, it filled the entire gap. All right, and then starts to move upward. These PD arrays are really good for entries. So it's good to outline, draw these things on the 15-minute, the 1 hour, and if you're entering on the 1 minute, those are for your entries. All right, all these the 15 minutes and the hourly gaps, those are just for the framework. But for actual precision entries, you'll do it on the 1 minute. All right, so I will wait for something like this, and say it happens early. So now this is we're looking like going on 7 o'clock. All right, say it happens early. I wouldn't mind getting in, but now since we have news at 8:15, I'll wait for that to play out, and then I think we also have another. Yeah, we have 8:15 news and we have 10 a.m. news. So ideally, you want to wait for news for the outline line to play out, but as you know, it may use the news to take off. So use that with a grain of salt. This is the outline. I showed you it after the market yesterday. Now this is before market open today. All right, so I'll come back to this. You check my Twitter, the Ring Maestro. You'll see how and I always put my receipts on there as well. So you'll see I call this out before it happens, and then after it plays out, we'll come out to it. Once again, this is probabilities. Okay, so it doesn't 100% have to happen. So we're not full porting this buy here. We're under talks of tariffs. They did postpone it for 30 days and everything, but there's a lot of Trump has been a busy bee, so you don't know what kind of news is gonna drop. So bring your contract size down a little bit. Make sure you have safe. Take profits. Don't get too greedy in the market this time, because anything can happen. There could be a lot of news that can move the market. All right, so that's just my play on Power 3. Look out for it today, guys.